join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Morning mist drifts lightly over the river's sandy side. Little ducks wake up early, ready for their daily ride. They shake their feathers gently and stretch their tiny wings, then march into the sunlight as the leader softly sings. Waddle, waddle, ducks parade, stepping in a cheerful line. Left foot, right foot, splashing in the water shine. Quacks echo brightly as they march along the glade. Everyone is smiling at the Waddle Ducks parade. One duck carries flowers tucked neatly in her beak. Another balances pebbles, though the task is quite unique. The smallest duck keeps dancing with a happy little hop, trying hard to stay in rhythm, but never wants to stop. Waddle, waddle, ducks parade, stepping in a cheerful line. Left foot, right foot, splashing in the water shine. Quacks echo brightly as they march along the glade. Everyone is smiling at the Waddle Ducks parade. They cross the wooden walkway built beside the willow tree, where dragonflies hover gently above the reeds for all to see. The ducks lift their voices in a song, both soft and sweet, their tiny feet pattering like a playful tapping beat. The parade winds through the meadow, where butterflies drift near, joining in the moment as the music fills the air. A breeze sweeps through the cattails with a whisper warm and light, guiding all the waddling ducks through fields of golden sight. Waddle, waddle, ducks parade, stepping in a cheerful line. Left foot, right foot, splashing in the water shine. Quacks echo brightly as they march along the glade. Everyone is smiling at the Waddle Ducks parade. When the day grows quiet and the sun begins to fade, the ducks return to rest beside the cool creek shade. But tomorrow they will gather with the same bright stride for the Waddle Waddle Ducks parade.